28-year-old male offender who was at the Westville Correctional Facility died because of the COVID virus. He died at a local hospital. And this happens now to be the very first DOC death due to the virus. And right now there is a local business owner that I talked to, and she's working really hard to make sure that there aren't any more.
We are a commercial filter business. My husband and I own the business, and this is not what we do at all. We are not a mask making business, but we saw a need and we decided to jump in with both feet.
Here's a look inside the Indiana Filter Company on the north side of Indianapolis. It's where they've created a mini sewing and assembly line. What they're doing is taking the materials that are usually used in their commercial grade filters, they're cutting them up and then placing them inside specially designed masks and kits to protect against COVID-19.
And I will show you what our kits look like. And they have everything that we need to make the mask. It has the cording for the ties for the mask and the pipe cleaners and the material in here. And these are being taken to the women's prison, and the prisoners are actually making the masks, and right now they're making them for themselves.
The filters and fabric all donated, and the company is using its manpower and connections to do the work and deliveries. Their work is a supplement to the broader statewide program already underway at the Miami Correctional Facility. It's where offenders like Wesley are helping boost the mask supply.
We've done things wrong in our lives, but we're still trying to make sure that we're trying to do something back for our community.
The masks will help protect Indiana's nearly 26,000 offenders and 7,000 staff members.
Personally, myself, I feel like I'm giving back, and that, you know, that this is what's going to help get rid of the virus.
They're also making protective gowns and alcohol-based hand sanitizer.
They're people too, and we need to protect them because they can't just be left in there with this virus is killing people daily, and we just have to take care of them too. And they're in there and they're willing to work. This gives them a purpose. You know how you feel when you're doing something for people. It always makes you feel good, and it makes everyone feel better when they're helping people.
The state right now is working on a reporting system, and soon we're going to be able to learn the number of COVID positive cases per facility across the state of Indiana. But what are the numbers right now? Well, as of Monday, the head of the state DOC said that 7 of the state's 23 facilities now are contaminated with the virus, and a total of 27 offenders have tested positive. At the beginning of April, think of the change since then. That's when the DOC reported 2 positive cases at the Indiana's Women's Prison and 3 at the Plainfield Correctional Facility. Now, keep in mind, the governor has been asked about this time and again, and he repeatedly has said he's not looking at releasing prisoners because of the pandemic.
We're committed, of course, to answer